This video will show you how to adjust the handlebar's height to perfectly fit you. First, take off the battery for safety precaution. Here are the tools you need to adjust the height of the handlebar. 2.5 5mm hex wrench and the 15mm stem spacers. 1. Take off the smart bar box. Loosen the screw of the smart bar box using the 2.5mm hex wrench. Pull the cable out gently and unplug the cables. 2. Take off the handlebar. Unscrew the clamping screw and loosen the stem screw using the 5mm hex wrench. Pull up the handlebar. 3. Insert the spacer. Take 1 or 2 spacers, stack them onto the front fork to raise the handlebar to your desired height. Make sure the protrusion on the front rock head parts fit into the dent on the spacer. This will make sure the spacer fits nicely. 4. Install the handlebar. Insert the handlebar stem into the fork's top tube. Put back the clamping screw. Use a 5mm hex wrench to tighten the clamping screw. Take the smart bar box, align the bottom protrusion of the box with the sunken platform of the handlebar stem. Make sure the smart bar box fit onto the handlebar perfectly. Use the 2.5mm hex wrench to tighten the screws underneath the smart bar box. Connect the 2 wires from the box, connect them with matching colors and align the arrow of one connecting wire with the arrow of another. One set is black and the other is green. Insert the connected wires into the hole of the handlebar to keep the look of the bike clean. 5. Align the handlebar. Adjust the position of the front wheel and handlebar to make sure they are aligned and centered. Use a 5mm hex wrench to tighten the stem screws. You are now ready to ride. For more help, please contact support@URTOPIA.com.